We've all seen that part in the Matrix where Morpheus takes Neo into that weird room where Neo is able to download karate moves into his head. After watching that part of the movie, everybody wanted that power. Some people, me, even wondered if something like that was even possible. If you've been on my channel though, you should know by now, everything is possible. All jokes aside though, if the movie was supposed to be based on real life, there must be some truth to it. Like, what if there was a real way to download things into your brain without doing the work? Newsflash, you're always gonna have to do some work. But as someone who did it, trust me, it works. It's a little different from just sitting down and downloading, but not really. It's more like sitting, studying, watching, and practicing. You can't wait to hear it, and I can't wait to tell you, but you gotta make sure to stay to the end of this video and subscribe to my channel. Enough chit chat, let's plug in. Alright guys, we're here on my computer, and that might be a big watermark in the middle of the screen, but don't watch that for right now. We're trying to break out the matrix, so we gotta see around these things. But say I wanted to learn how to fight. I'd basically come to YouTube and type in the best fighter that I know fighting. So Floyd Mayweather. Not just his fighting videos, I type in his training videos, I type in his sparring videos. Anything that I could find of him fighting, I want to see that. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Especially sparring videos because you see the fundamentals better. You feel what I'm saying? Rather than just seeing him fight, you can see the process behind what makes him fight like that. So I really like the training aspect of it. So basically, we're gonna pick one of these videos, we're gonna watch it, and then we're gonna practice it. I mean, hopefully we don't have people out here that we just got to practice on, but for the most part, it works. Trust me, this is all I did to learn how to fight, and you do not want me to fight you, bro. I would really spank you. All jokes aside, it worked. For me, the main thing here is watching, practicing, and then, for me, applying. But say we didn't want to be Floyd Mayweather or Mike Tyson. Say we just wanted to be smart or just make a lot of money. Same thing applies. We're going to access our other mind, which is Google, the internet. And then we're going to type in best ways to make money online. And I already did it. See, I beat you to it. Right. We got some stuff right here. I'm not jacking it though, cause it's like one of the first things. I don't know, it's kind of scamming me. But 35 short and long-term ways to make money. Let's go to 28 realistic ways to make money. Just wait for it to load up. Start drop shipping. That's a lucrative way to make money, trust me. Try print on demand. Basically what's gonna come up is a lot of different lucrative ways you can make money online on your computer, like what I'm doing right now. All you have to do is pick one and try it out. Not even try it out. Pick one if you want to make money online, and then do it until you start making money online. It's right here for you. It's gonna teach you how to do it. And if it doesn't teach you how to do it, say we want to learn how to affiliate market, the same thing applies. We go to Google. Or YouTube, the same thing applies. How do I start affiliate marketing? Something will come up and you just go down the rabbit hole. That's all there is to it. And trust me, it might take a little time, but with persistence, it will get downloaded into your brain. And then you start knowing things you don't even know you know. Like, you just start saying things, or you just start seeming more knowledgeable to people. But it's just because you seeked out the knowledge, so it's downloaded into your brain. It's nothing more to it. Don't make it rocket science. It's as simple as seeking out information, learning it, and that's it. You feel what I'm saying? Like, they made it seem cool in the movies, but that's all that goes into it. So I told you could download things in your head. You do not have to be in a movie. Life is a movie as is. The human mind can accomplish way more than you think, which is why I love to expand it as much as I can. I just told you how to download information, but there is more. You want to know it, don't you? So subscribe to my channel and let me know what you want to know. For right now, love you guys. See you next time.